pull this up and then put a flat screwdriver and push from the side and slowly and connector will be like removed, and then you still using this like a flat one and to pull inside to remove this like the new connector. You same story, just like push a little bit all the way around to remove the connector. Removed, and put your like old the connector and put on inside here, and then just connect the airbag, the cable into your car. That's it. You just have to change this connector to yours. Remember the color.